Give advice to all, be security for none. Give advice to all, be security for none. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another important motivational quote, and at the same time, it's a caution for all of us. Advice. It's a kind of recommendations and guidance for our future action. Most of the people give advices. Whether we take or not, that is secondary. But giving an advice for a good cause, for the future action and future event, there's nothing wrong. That's why even the proverb is motivating us, inspiring us to give advice. You can do this, you can take up this job, you can take up this course, you can follow these rules, you can follow this diet. All these advices are very, very good for all of us. Let us give advices. There is no wrong. But be security for none. I looked further meaning, two shades of meaning. One is security is having a freedom of, you are free from things. Freedom of danger, freedom of threats. Another security is you be the guarantor for anyone who takes up a loan or for the land, that if they fail to pay back, if they fail to repay, you are taking the security that you will be doing it. Is it possible practically? We don't know. We don't even take the responsibility of our own friends' actions. We may say to our friend, don't do that. But can you give a guarantee? The next moment he goes and he may do it. How can you be security for your own friend? How can you be security for your own son and daughter? You don't know what they do. Sometimes our own security also will be endangered. When you give security for someone, it is foolishness. Don't. Because it's not in our hands, it is not in our control. It is not possible to give security or guarantee for someone. That's why the motivation today, the quote, the proverb is cautioning us, give advice to all, but be security for none. I know one very good man. He is helping, kind, sympathetic, shows empathy to others, very compassionate person. Everyone knows and everyone honors his compassion. He helps everybody. Sometimes he forego his own good things and he gives off to everyone. One of the associates, he has little pressurized him. Nothing wrong, because you are very kind, you are very helping. Just put one signature for my brother's loan. He said, I help, but when can I put the signature? I don't know. But they have taken the advantage of his goodness. And he signed. For first 5 years, nothing happened. Everything was good. But after that, slowly the pressure from the bank has started. Because the one who took the loan is not repaying. Now, their shift, the focus is onto the guarantor, the one who gave the security. This good man, this compassionate man lost his own property because of he obliged. He didn't learn to say no. He is very good in giving advices. He is very good in helping people. He is very compassionate, shows empathy. But that was taken as an advantage by somebody else. That's why we get cautions every time. Motivational quotes are our cautions. The caution, it only gives you the path. Choice is ours. We have two paths wherever we go, one good, one bad, but the choice is ours. The one which you choose decides what is the peace of mind for us. So this man lost all the property just because he gave the security. Learn this today. Give advice to all, but be security for none, no one, no one. Take care. God bless you.